Are you looking for the fuse box location in your Toyota Sienna 2021 to 2024? In this video, we'll quickly show you all fuse box locations, including the engine compartment and cabin area, and explain how they protect your minivan vehicle's electrical system. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box for the 2021 to 2024 Toyota Sienna is located under the driver's side dashboard, accessible by removing the cover panel near the footwell. This unit manages vital interior electrical systems, including the instrument cluster, power windows, seat heaters, and telematics modules. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box for the 2021 to 2024 Toyota Sienna is located under the hood on the driver's side, housed within a black, weather-sealed enclosure near the battery. It protects critical high-load components such as the hybrid system controller, cooling fans, fuel pump, and headlight circuits. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2021 to 2024 Toyota Sienna primarily manages rear cabin electrical loads, including the power liftgate motor and power outlets located in the trunk. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, Micro 2 fuse, Micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.